Alrighty, we are at Hurricane Harbor. It's July 18, 2025. We finally made it for this season. I wanted to get here in June. I wanted so bad to have all the slides to ourselves and not have a busy day, but we didn't make it. But we're here now. Oh, we want to go on that one. It's going to be busy, busy, busy. Not a rave, but a wave. I know. That's right. I missed the TV. There's no TV. There's no screen. What the heck? All right, I think we're gonna do it. I haven't been on a freaking high slide since 23, 2 years ago. Oh boy. Okay, we're going up Taboo Tower. There, there's, oh, he left his glasses on. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Go. Go on. Woo! Oh, it's dark in here. Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Me. Oh yeah. I'm always on that side. I want this side. Yes.
Shove it down fast.
Lift up your ass.
We're too heavy.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, we're going fast.
I know. Oh, I always knew. There you go. Here you go. Woo! Whee! I know. Oh.
We're on?
Yeah.
We're live?
I gotta
Let's
cover
do it.
my nose.
Oh yeah, just like that, and then try to with the. Yeah, you should be fine. Just make sure we hold on to everything, okay?
I will. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, launch!
My shirt! Woo! Right here. Woo! Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
Oh, it's not over yet?
My God! No, stay right here. I'm videoing. Here it comes. Yes! Whoa! Woo! 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 Hard! Whoa!